All right, so number 4, you're going to have to fill in the blank. But what the question is really asking you is, can you tell the best way to solve this system the way it's written? So this system was set up to be solved in a certain way, right? And we know 3 different ways. There's graphing, there's substitution, and there's elimination. So if it's set up for graphing, both of your equations are going to be written in slope-intercept form, right? So this one is not set up for graphing. We have one equation written, ready to graph, but not the other one. If it's going to be elimination, both of your equations will be set up in standard form, like the first equation here. This one is set up in standard form, but they're not both. So this system is not set up to graph, and it's not set up to use elimination. It's set up for substitution because one of our equations, this one here, has been solved for x or for y. And in this case, we solved for y, okay? So it's going to take fewer steps if you solve this system with substitution, okay? Then it's going to ask you, what are you substituting, okay? So we are substituting x plus 4 into the first equation, and we're substituting it for what? For the y. So that's not on this slide, but it's going to be in the assessment. You need to know, what are you plugging in to the other equation? And it's all drop down, so it's all multiple choice. So there's that. And then they want to know how many solutions are there. You don't have to solve it, right? Just like in the last question, we're going to take this first equation and we're going to solve for y. Negative 2x plus 10. So here the slope is negative 2, and here the slope is 1. That means there is one solution because the slopes are different. That's it for this one.